Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. I'm the Sweetest MC, and in today's video I am twisting my hair. I have no idea how it's going to look, but I know that I want to twist my hair. So that's what I'm doing. It's been 10 months since I started my natural hair journey, and so lately I've had so much hair growth that styling my hair is very unpredictable. Every time I style it, even if I try to do the same thing, I get a different result. And so this is why I keep practicing, I keep trying different styles, and I'm learning my hair. So I'm using my wide tooth tail comb to part my hair and my alligator clips to hold my hair in place and separate. And I'm using my continuous spray bottle to spray some water onto my hair to wet my hair. And I'm using hair gel. It's the Wetline Extreme hair gel. Basically using my fingers to coil or twist my hair. I'm twisting around and around maybe about 5 times, trying not to do it more than that. I'll be sure to list all the products I use in this video in the description box below. And I have the Amazon links to these products as well, so feel free to use my links to purchase your items. And yes, help your girl out. I do get a very small commission off of any purchase that's made using my link, so it'd be greatly appreciated. So now let's just keep going and see how this turns out. For those of you who style your natural hair, you know what's up. We gotta stop and stretch. We gotta take a break. Oh, so needed. All right, let's keep going. And if you happen to have any advice for me or any tips and tricks on twisting my hair, leave it in a comment for me down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'm always open to suggestions. So finally I'm done with my twists. Took me about a good 45 minutes. Now I'm working on my baby hairs. So most of the times I let my hair air dry, but today I did have to go somewhere, and so I needed to speed up the process. And so when I need to speed up the process, I pull out my hair dryer. I do not have a hair dryer with a diffuser, so I'm just using my hair dryer with the comb, and it's doing the job. And I'm trying to stretch the twist out as much as I can, but they're really not stretching. Okay, so some of them are stretching, but not all of them. Very few are stretching and staying stretched. And so now I'm using my pick to lightly lift my twists, and some of the twists that decided to stretch out are kind of sticking up. Gosh, I hope I could fix this. Alright, so let me wrap this and let it dry and see how it comes out when it's fully dried. Oh, thank God, it looks decent. So I'm gonna tighten up these baby hairs, and it came out pretty good, pretty nice, and I love the gel, and especially the fact that it keeps the shine going on your hair. I usually interchange between the Eco Styler gel and also the Extreme gel. So it came out pretty good. This is gonna have to do the trick. I'm gonna do a full turnaround for you guys. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys being here. Look at that. Look at how poppin' these coils are. Look at how poppin' these twists are. Much love to you guys. Until next time.